10 class e thu changala jule ta nga ta during chapter somagic start cho cheno chapter e ming yotle electricity physics e chapter jiginokle electricity zen jingnang ta changme sangala nga ta electricity o chinok zena nijang pata do ngalang chai rig mangyung sil te do electricity of energy form jiginok kavena charge flow charug ya presence of charge duk zerte nga ta definition jiktang ste do ta ina ve kanga ta charge is pera jigongs pasang ne charge bo chino sena charge bo ko atom ji properties jigino kao positive या negative nisko jongduk positive yongna cation zapin negative yongna anion zapin nyampong atae SI unit of charge charge SI unit chino zena charge SI unit po coulomb inokle kao singa po represent chot yang ika yang speragic important itu bor goshes dok electron chiginanga samshik charge on oxena kwe magnet 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb ika minus tansteot electron ifia kaltes kato 1 proton ena samshik charge duk zena tiongatai plus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb nenang diano nyampo ika e formula wang itu bor Q is equal to charge calculate chona n into e tangnang ngatai charge calculate cho nyananok where Q is charge, n is number of electrons and e is charge on one electron. Otyo itu borcheno e formula wang ngatai use charupin tepe u ngatai chachi itu borcheno ble. Tis tingning ngata electric current bo khuin electric current bo kaw ngata I nyam po represent chat tio chino zena rate of flow of charge some she time ena some she charge flow song tok that is electric current te wangata electric current zen kaw ngata I nyam po represent chos yang I wo calculate cho che se fia formula tangste du q upon t inave kane bing temanda rate of flow of charge ena some she time ena some she charge flow song tok te wa current zen og zete teni q chinok charge enok ka coulomb ena measure chatpin t chinok time enok second ena second bo small s nam po represent chanok yang sec madishik koi symbol bo small s enok tene ta yu ngata song charge nang time unit gun tene formula pura tans te ngata current ping zane current SI unit chinok zana SI unit of current is ampere ngata current bo china measure chanok ampere ena izam shik ampere current duk searches otyuk shiginogle then inna nang related tangata simple question jik discussion calculate the amount of current when 0.2 coulomb of charge flows for 1 minute zateyotna then ngata I problem bo ka ju solve chen jana physics na hamesha ngala ngata chir given yotyo distance te tizuk shangata start chona lamo chamiro ele then I kangata chi phinglo calculate the amount of current I is equal to question mark then ngata chi tang tu gyang c q is equal to 0.2 coulomb time dangste dukle 1 minute enanga second ena gyurgo sanok che zenanga ta time bochi na measure sanoklo second SI unit of time wesang second enok 1 into 60 second che zena minute chigina second tuk chu onduk tyo na po multiply tangste cham gyur 60 second so ngata time bocham sondo 60 second now I is equal to q upon t which is equal to I wo q wo tangste duk 0.2 upon time bo 60 song त्यो nang त्यो multiply cho nang po ngata cham yong dukle 0.00333 ampere yong duk ta io ngata scientific notation ena kaltes ka to 0.00333 zerkan jiyo na ngata scientific notation ena chi chong sanok jena point po hamesha non zero digit I chang mata zero mana you non zero digit chi sting ne hamesha yong sanok ta nge I point bo I kai khenna 3.33 point bo hamesha non zero digit chigisting ne kher gosan त्यो non zero digit gome kayu miro point bo ine duk ine yo akyana po I kalip ches duk zuk shikcha ches duk त्यो chona divided by 1000 chona you know you chok song te mana त्यो ngata taru simplify chona 3.33 upon 10 raised to the power 3 ta use ta kherna 3.33 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 so I is equal to 3.33 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere yongsteno ta jese ngata daksa zesle SI unit of electric current bo chinoklo ampere tini question yotna kaltes ka to define 1 ampere zete yotna malamo kyu define choches ikachai chingata formula wal tanale I is equal to since ngata formula yot current calculate chala I is equal to q upon t meda tini I wochina measure chono ampere na charge po coulomb ena time bo second ena ngata chi define choslo 1 ampere ta kaltes ka to e ka 1 tanga yol don 1 yongos numerator chilo or left hand side na right hand side niske ka 1 kaltes ka to yol don 1 tanga yol don 1 yote no danda du teni ngata 1 ampere bo chinang danda chaches to 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second chos chaches miro tio ngata sentence chinal demo choste kazu tain zena 1 ampere bo chinang define 1 ampere zena 1 ampere bo kazu define chonganok when 1 coulomb of charge flows for 1 second when 1 coulomb of charge flows for 1 second then the current is said to be 1 ampere oto zenang yanteno ina formula ve galtas de la moteno ta yu nang yampo yu answer bo songteno ta yu nampo teningata conversions rikchun riang tas te do bugina milli ampere milli wo ampere kurina convert chola divide by 1000 tano yang micro ampere yotna divide by 10 raised to the power 6 tano 0 took 1000000 tene ampere na convert chaches tayang yu 1000 bo alta ka kyan po minus 3 gyurat pin ngan ma chok sinokle ika 10 raised to the power 6 yotna sta ka kyan po 10 raised to the power minus 6 so 1 milli ampere is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere yang 1 micro ampere is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 amperes that is ukchoste gyote khernyana thugu mangpo jiga yang e question bena problem yong dukle nga langaya thong calculate the number of electrons in 1 coulomb charge 1 coulomb charge na chamshi electron yong chera tyo calculate jos zetotna tangata kaukshe solve train nga langata theoretically ya ngata izugunena electron chigina charge sam yon zerkan bonga langata given yotyak 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb zetangata 9 class nang dupin leyo or you will do kirna all do chamana 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb is equal to 1 electron ta ni ika question example jiktang steot ni ja you lamo chache se pe I answer bo ka ju piano zerkan bo lamo chache se pe ka chai ngal langa ta 673 na maths gunena problem resolve chor pin ni je 6 bag ina 18 apple yotna 1 bag ina some apple yono zena this divided by this multiplied by this you chona ta answer yo miro tena chos ina chostano izam shi coulomb ina 1 electron yotna 1 coulomb ina 1 bag ina zetsosla 1 coulomb ina some yono zena this divided by this multiplied by this 1 electron divided by 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb into 1 coulomb coulomb nang coulomb cut song baki ngatila chilus 1.01 1 electron is 1.0 electron so 0.0 times 1.0 upon 1.6 you 10 raised power minus 19 dugni sta kena 10 raised to the power plus 19 electron the point chik ni yungol do numerator kani yunga shift chik chona denominator kan chona diano now this is equal to 10 upon 16 into 10 raised to the power 19 electron which is equal to you now you solve chona 0.625 young dugle into 10 raised to the power 19 electron young ata scientific notation ena chilo point bo hamesha non zero digit chiges tingne tanches point bo yunga chik shift chona divide by 10 maso ika 10 raised to power 1 so sinoksta kena 10 raised to power minus 1 so minus 1 nang plus 19 18 gyur o tyo choste answer pinsteno to 1 coulomb ena ngata chamshi electron yakir so that means 1 coulomb is equal to 6.25 into 10 raised to the power 18 electron temani e question bongata izu yang solve chona yang cheduk ma lamo jiduk daring ye formula jiktas te q is equal to n into e yang q charge e wo number of charge on 1 electron yang n wo number of electrons so number of electron pinche calculate the number of electrons in 1 coulomb of charge number of electrons charge on one electron sa meonok 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. Charge po sam duk 1 coulomb. Tene ngata n bo ping cheno. Isu direct solve chona dikte no gele. Yung answer same yono. This thing ngata electricity chapter rena next topic po dugle potential difference ka ngata v ngam po represent charu. Ta e potential difference po chi no kau shi duk te ngata discuss choche se phia cha chi ngata example jingne nenle suppose ni a ketok chi ga borto do tanki jik ya syntax jik त्यो pipe ching po connect choste do you ban choste kyang no po ban choste jani chu flow chamanok nichik you load anam po chu flow chanok chia flow chanok due to pressure water flows iwe pressure is just the water flow chanok tena tsok shingata I electricity nang yong duk zetenok jaga ji kangata charge is just the pressure mang po nduk kawangata electric potential zenok ते electric potential jaga ji ka mangpong duk jaga ji ka kam yong duk ते difference po ते jaga इसके parla difference yong duk ते difference pangata chi janok lo potential difference the difference in electric potential between two points ते wangata charge je just te pressure e difference kya point nis se parla te we just te tangata charge po flow chat kya te difference pangata potential difference atya का potential difference pangata china po represent chanok le v ngam po yang v wo calculate choche se pia w upon q zete formula jiktan stet kya yu ngata potential difference pia la no w chino zena work done ka ngata china measure chanok joule na 99 class na yo kya Q chinok charge ka ngata china measure chot coulomb na ngan ma ngata electric current and azes the SI unit of potential difference ya voltage is volt na measure chot ngata potential difference po ta e formula waltas te ngata potential difference la yang definition jang thop duk jaise ngata potential difference ane che janok lo the difference in electric potential between the 2 points yeah we can also define it like this yang ngata izuk shang define chong yan chenok amount of work done in carrying a unit charge from one point to another is called potential difference point chikne yang point chika unit charge jikhyala chamshi las chogos tu tewanga ta potential difference enokle ta nyampo ngata ikayu question bo yu yotna jese ngala ngata current te unit po chin pin SI unit po ampere define 1 ampere ze chosla define the unit of potential difference esto potential difference unit po chin volt then define 1 volt zeteno ive matlab po tine ngata yang formula altana v is equal to w upon q na ingol do left hand side na right hand side niske ka 1 tangna 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb yu tang yan cheno ngata 1 volt po kazu define cho nyano zena tati izu ita zema 1 volt is defined as 1 joule of work 1 joule of work divided by upon 1 coulomb of charge zete izu define cho yan ches me kyak magar ngata sentence inalte mo choste put cho sanu tyo nge kauk she choste when 1 joule of work is done to carry 1 coulomb of charge between 2 points here from one point to another it is said to have 1 volt potential difference tesamshi potential difference 1 volt potential difference yo kyak zate izuk she define cho yan chenole ta ibun nang related yang ata numerical jig discuss chona जैसे क्वेश्चन बताना ले calculate the work done to carry 2 ampere current for 1 second between 2 points having a potential difference of 10 volt taina ata chi riktang stu tyo dina samay sangala current jitang stu 2 ampere I is equal to 2 ampere time tang stu 1 second tang stu le voltage pang tang stu yani potential difference for 10 volt tang stu 10 volt is then ata suggestion of we have v is equal to w upon q daksang ata che jena ata chi phinglo work done phingche se pyang ata second formula use to shek v is equal to w upon q and igane ata to banok w is equal to v into q v ngatila yot q ngatila met I is equal to q upon t mana yang q is equal to you all do kena I into t chacheno if formula ve kane you use to sano to q is equal to chi song I into t tang nam dik chestu che zena ata q in a given miruk magar ngata chi duk I nang t wo duk current bo 2 duk time bo 1 duk voltage po 10 duk yu ngata solve chona chamyong 20 joule work po hamesha china measure chonok joule na o to answer binte no